What's going on? What's good? It is Obelisa Mutupi. I'm excited that you're here on today's video. So what we're going to be uncovering or unpacking is the pain points of trading. And one thing that I want you to be aware of is you are going to be able to learn information such as why your broker is holding you back. But most importantly, you'll be able to see those pain points and some solutions to it. So obviously guys, if you do value knowledge and you believe that this YouTube channel is meant to share valuable knowledge, what you can do is to like this video and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to it, guys. I've prepared a slideshow here so that you're able to see everything visually, not just hear it. And the very first thing is why your broker is actually holding you back, the hidden pain points that is costing you money. So the first thing is, how much money have you lost because of your broker? And the honest truth is that firstly, it is more than you think. I know most people are gonna say, I've lost 10,000, I've lost 1,000, but the honest truth, it's way more than that. It's way more than the amount of money that you think, because there's things like spreads, commissions that were also involved into play, which we are gonna be uncovering. But at the same time, most losses aren't caused by bad strategies, they're caused by broker issues. That is the honest truth, guys. And what you are going to be learning in today's video is the pain points of trading. You are also going to be seeing me place a trade live to test exactly what I'm saying. Plus at the same time, I am going to make a withdrawal to show you proof of exactly what I am saying. Does this sound any familiar? When spreads spike, eating profit, withdrawals are delayed and excuses, there's extra documents that are needed, especially after you win, or instant withdrawal taking hours or even days. Truly speaking, guys, I have been involved in, I have been a person that spread was the one that was able to take me out, or spreads was able to hit, like miss my targets or hit my stop losses more quicker. I've been able to experience withdrawal delays, especially from different brokers out there. And at the same time, once you're able to make a specific threshold of profits, brokers are going to start wanting so many documents from you to a point where you won't even know what else you need to provide. That isn't good. And then obviously you do hear brokers saying that there's instant withdrawals out there and stuff. So we are going to be testing that on today's video. So what are spreads? Let me just break it down for you real quick. Spread is the difference between the bid price, the price at which the broker will buy a currency pair, and the ask price, the price at which the broker will sell it, which means that it represents the cost of trade, is measured in pips, and its size is influenced by the currency pair volatility, liquidity, and as well the trading volume. So let's just say right here at the bottom, I've got a nice representation. You can see that this is like spread of a price. The bid side is where the broker is going to be buying is 58.97. That's why if the broker buys, is going to be buying at 58.97. But the ask is where they'll be selling, which is 59.02. So if you look at in between there, the whole gap, the 58.97 and that 59.02, there's a gap in between, and that is the spread. Spread problems, the silent profit killer. Most people are not even aware of this. So you are fortunate to be able to get your hands on literally the slideshow that I've got. Spreads widen during volatility. Profits shrink before market moves. Stop losses get hit early and scalping becomes more impossible. I understand that there's people out there that are comfortable with trading in swing trading methods, but let's just say you're not a position trader. Let's just say you're not a swing trader. You're not an intraday trader, but you're more of a scalper. This is where it's going to affect you if you're not even looking at things like spreads, because if you're executing with brokers that have a high spread, automatically when you place a trade, you're going to have to cover that spread difference. Other brokers have like 20 pips, 30 pips. You have to cover that spread difference, and then that's when you start being at break even, and then now you're going to start looking into making profit. So that is like, a different type of a game. Have you ever experienced this? You enter a trade and that trade is too perfect, but before price moves, your trade is already in deep red. Let's just say here, for example, I took this picture, this image of the internet. You can see the trade that is currently running here. That's $960 in negatives. Already the positive is only $26. So if you do the difference, the total that's supposed to be here at the top is only like 930, somewhere around there, 940. But look at it, it's at negative 1.6. Instead of negative 940, it's a negative 1.6, which means the other different spread swaps, all those things that you can think of. So why exactly does spread matter? Exactly the previous thing that I did show you, but spread is equals to trading cost. Every trade becomes more expensive. Spread it into the long-term profits. and especially dangerous during news. So you understand why it matters now. The fact that you're able to see that this thing really does matter, it should open up your eyes in terms of you having to choose and decide exactly which is the rightest way to go forward. And just by looking at one of the tips that I've said here is choose brokers with stable and at the same time low spreads, because if the broker doesn't have stable spreads and it's just low spreads, it means that during specific hours those spreads can be influenced or manipulated to a point where they're a bit too huge during those different time frames. But if they have like a stable spread system, what it does is that no matter what, like even if it does go a bit more higher, but it's more stable, it's not too high, ridiculously high. I've seen brokers do spreads that are like ridiculous. Withdrawal problems. This is the second point that I want us to dive into. Withdrawal problems, the ultimate red flag: delays, excuses, document request, missing promised time frame, and at the same time feeling like you're begging for your money. So this is actually what happens. At times, you'd see yourself making profits in the markets, and just before you make a withdrawal, brokers are gonna want different things. Like they want this documents and this document, and you're like, but you had everything, and they want so much while they are just delaying. It's delay tactics that brokers use in order to make money to pay you. So while they're delaying, they're able to just try to make as much money as possible so they can pay you. And we don't want that. We want instant withdrawals, right? And obviously now it starts feeling like you're begging for your own money. Imagine you put in the work, you worked so hard for your money, but only for a broker to come and act like you didn't really put in the work. It's like now you have to go through support, begging them, asking them, doing all these things. Why exactly does withdrawal matter? So the first thing is obviously access to the funds, which is equals to freedom. Once you're able to make the funds that you're making from the market, that is like more like freedom. So the faster the withdrawal is, then the way you'd be able to just reinvest those profits or invest it in something else, whatever, you'd be able to catch new opportunities because of now, that is out of the way, the withdrawal part of it. And at the same time, you have confidence in your profits, which means that now that this broker pays, this broker pays you more quicker, you are able to make more profits because most definitely that you will be paid. Unlike a broker that doesn't give you profits and say something, like it will demotivate you. It does demotivate. If you face these issues, it's not you. The honest truth is that your broker is slowing you down, and your strategy might not even be the problem. It may be time for you to consider switching. There's two ways to it, guys. It's either the successful way or the failure route. There's two only different routes. So you have to choose. You have to decide what then from here. And the fact that I was able to break this down to you, already you can make certain decisions. Like I don't have to make decisions for you. I'm just going to put it down here for you to be able to see and understand. But from there now, it's all on you in terms of what decision you're going to be moving forward with. But let's move over to the next slide and see what exactly we can expect. A broker designed to solve these pain points. Let's break down why exactly did I switch. You guys do know that I've been trading for over 8 years, now approaching 9 years. And during that time frame, I have been with different brokers in terms of testing them out, trading with different, just being with so many. And recently I was able to just make the switch over back to Exness because there was times whereby I was like with them a couple of years ago. It's just that as well I was trading privately with them, but now I just decided that with these trading conditions, especially looking at how things like the markets are moving, gold, the trading conditions, and understanding now because I'm older, I understand how these things matter a lot, like spread, trading conditions, like all these things, withdrawals. I understand how they play a part. That is why I even decided that I need to make this video in order for you to be able to just see exactly what I'm saying, understand these pain points, but at the same time develop some solutions to it. More stable spreads. So Exness has 4 times more stable spreads among other brokers, and it allows you to be able to have more accurate entries. So here's a quick disclaimer. Stable spread claims or refer to the maximum spreads on XAU USD, USD JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and BTC USD. For the first 2 seconds following high impact news, this comparison is made between Exness standard accounts and commission-free accounts of several other brokers, all excluding agent commissions, from the 1st of January 2025 to the 4th of June 2025, which means that you are able to understand and see that Exness does have stable spreads, which means that you're not going to see the spread being 0.10 right now and the next day you see it being 10 pips. It wouldn't really make sense. It's more stable. So now one thing that I want us to do, just so we test out exactly what they're saying, we are going to be placing a quick trade on gold just so we are able to see how stable is the spreads. Okay, so I quickly want us to take a look at these gold spreads, because currently, guys, you can see I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I can even go to the 5 minutes so you're able to see the gap, but you can see how it is. So I'm just gonna take a sell. Through speak, I'm looking for price to push down before it pushes up here, but I'm not actually gonna see it as a trader. It's just me showing you how I see the spreads, because look at it 1 minute and look at how the spread is. So I am gonna come here, take maybe the most minimum entry that I can take. That's a 0.01, and then here you can see my take profit. You can even see it shows the numbers exactly. So I'm gonna be risking 72 rands. I'm gonna be gaining 200, and then boom, let's see our position has been open. You can see it right here, and this is how it is, bro. Already the position is in profits. It's like this is literally, I just executed it now, but you can see how this position is moving. The spread is so clean. This is the 1 minute time frame. One thing that I like is that this trade was exactly able to execute where I did execute it, and at the same time you can see, guys, I'm already on the 1 minute time frame, but you can see what the spread looks like here. This is so amazing. So the second point, why exactly did I switch over? Because Agnes provides the fastest withdrawals in the market, and that is true, guys. I've even sent or showed you guys in the Telegram group whereby I was able to place trades within within a minute. I got the payout, I got that withdrawal. But I will do the exact same thing with you guys on this video. But 98% of the withdrawals are processed automatically, which allows it to be able to just do things more quicker, and the money reaches you faster, which means that you can literally make profits right now, withdraw that money, and then hit your your wallet or your bank account, whatever, as quick as possible. You get it? So it's nice like that. Disclaimer, at Exness, over 98% of withdrawals are processed automatically. Smoothest withdrawals refer to the comparison of Exness withdrawals processing time versus 3 other brokers, last updated on the 7th of June 2025. Processing times may vary depending on the chosen payment method. And yes, this is true, because through speaking with me, at times when I'd withdraw using things like your cryptos and stuff, I would see it being close to instant. And I've never really played around with different types of methods, so I wouldn't really say which methods do what, but I've seen people close to me also withdraw to bank methods, and it didn't even take more than 10 minutes. But we are going to test that right now. Another reason traders trust Exness is that it has zero in-house commissions, especially on withdrawals. You keep more of your profits, and at the same time, there is no hidden cost. Disclaimer, third-party fees may apply depending on the chosen payment method, which means when it comes to Exness, they don't have any commissions, or they're not trying to just get as much as possible from you making withdrawals, but they give it to you all like that, exactly how you did. The only fees that you might face is only if there's maybe different payment methods, and they're obviously those processing fees or whatever the case is, but it's not on them. On them, they send it out exactly as it is. So let's place a withdrawal just so you're able to witness exactly what I'm saying. Let's go, team. I did mention to you guys that I'm going to be showing you guys a live withdrawal, so you can literally see exactly everything that I did say. We are going to also be looking at the speed that it takes for this money to reflect into my account. So what I was able to do is I was able to just transfer $100 into my crypto account. So I'm going to just come here into making sure that I withdraw it. Yes, $100, and then I was able to just come to my Binance and take this address, and you can simply see also this is the network is TRC20, just so you're able to see. Paste it there. Let me just take $100. So let's do this. Confirm. Action has been confirmed. So the time now is 3 minutes past 6. Let's just take a look at how long is it going to take. A notification from Binance is going to pop up, but we'll just see how long exactly is it going to be taking. So now you can see the account just by looking at it. It's created at 3 minutes past 6, and it has been processed, and then it was sent 3 minutes later, which is at 6 minutes past 6. So right now we're gonna see it's being credited, and we'll be able to just see it pull through. So obviously you can even see right here they're saying that the transaction has been successfully processed on our end, which means that it only took them basically 3 minutes to send out the funds. So now it's a matter of how long is it gonna take from their end in terms of them sending to get to my side of it. So yeah, let's just see. but please allow some time for the funds to be credited in your account. So it only took them 3 minutes to send it. Perfect, guys. You can see 5 minutes ago I actually got a notification. This was 5 minutes ago. So you can see right here, this is one of the payments that was landed, and you can see the date is at 1606, which is probably like, just by looking at it, let's come back here. 1603, I placed the withdrawal at 1603, and then 1603, once again it was processed. Remember we spoke about the 98% automatic withdrawals, so it was processed literally at the same time, and then it was sent to me like 3 minutes later. And right here you can simply see it got to me, like the date it got to me literally like a few seconds after it was sent, which is amazing, guys. It is amazing. You can see now, yes, the funds, they've reflected. The honest truth is that your broker should support you. It should not hurt you. Stop losing money to spreads, and at the same time you need to stop waiting days for withdrawal. I remember when I first got started, guys, I used to wait from 3 to 5 business days for withdrawals, which means if I made a withdrawal on Thursday, I'm probably going to get it on Monday or Tuesday at times. What this does is that it will allow you to be able to just trade with confidence. The right broker can change your entire trading experience. And truly speaking, guys, I have been an experienced to this. I fully agree and admit to the fact that the rightest broker that you trade with can change your whole entire trading experience. So the question is, are you ready to trade without all these problems that I mentioned? Because if you are, the best thing that you can do is to switch to Exness the same way that I did and get to trade the exact same way that you deserve. I thank you so much for watching this video. I need you to also drop a comment below on this video if you've ever been banned by a broker, and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trading insights. I'll see you in the next YouTube video. It is your boy from Mutupi, and thank you so much for watching.